My name is Sanjay Kumar and I am CEO of Diligence. We are a Salesforce consulting partner company located at New Delhi, India. And in this video, I am going to provide few tips to candidates who are trying to get a job in IT field. You might be a fresher in IT, or you might be in non-IT field and want to come into IT field, or you might have a career gap, or you want to switch your career and you are looking for growth. So in all these cases, one of the great option that you have with you is Salesforce. Salesforce is world's number one CRM. Besides CRM, Salesforce has a lot other modules, a lot other clouds, including App Cloud, e-commerce cloud, service cloud, IoT cloud. List is long and options are very great. You can start your career in Salesforce by investing your 3 to 4 months time. You can start by going through Trailhead modules. You can earn Trailhead badges by going through these modules. These are free of cost and you can do it at any time. And there is mobile app available as well. So using mobile app, you can do it from anywhere. You can go through different modules and after that you can prepare for the certification. If you are into coding, you want to develop your career as a developer, so you can go with PD1 certification, that is Platform Developer 1 exam. And if you are not that much into coding, you can go with Salesforce Administration exam. By having one of these certifications, you can get a job very easily. There are thousands of jobs available all over the world. You can be in any part of the world and I'm sure you will be able to get a job in Salesforce. And if you have any query, any doubt related to Salesforce certification, Salesforce Trailhead, Salesforce badges, you can comment me. And besides learning Salesforce, I would recommend you one more thing. I'll recommend that you spend 1 hour in a day in meditation, or you can do mantra jap. This will help you a lot. This will help you to know yourself and you will be able to know your strength and your weaknesses. And it will help you a lot in your career, in your personal life, in your professional life. And we do group meditation on every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4:30 p.m. IST. And if you would like to join us, you can let me know. I will provide you the Zoom link using which you will be able to connect with us.